And here's a second running of the rebuilt Thorp engine with some of the behind the scenes. So there's pretty much no editing. And it really sounds a whole lot better in person than it did over the audio on an iPhone. So just enjoy. It's not long. Thanks for watching. Mags are hot. Throttle is totally but yeah, I see dripping now.
Okay. You may flood it.
Throttle is not quite open. Mags are hot.
Okay.
Clear prop.
Clear prop. Just excited. We got faith in you, Andrew. We know you can do it. 0290s are a very reliable engine. I flew all the way across the country with one.
What?
I did with my RV1. I showed you a picture of it later. It's pretty cool. Single place, 9,500 feet.
Clear prop.
Clear prop. Ran out of gas?
We're out of gas.
You're out of gas.
Okay.